How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. Welcome back to another maybe depressing, but we're gonna try fishing video, right? Because the water is really low. It's been really low for the past like month or two, and that's not good. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I brought worms with me. We're gonna do some bobber fishing for some panfish because there might be bass here, but if there is, they'll eat the worm, right? I'm not doubting it. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna do something simple today. We're gonna keep some panfish for a pan fry. Shut up, keep some for cut bait, you know, in future. And yeah, I don't know how it's gonna go, but it's really shallow, and let's hope for the best. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the water. Peace. All right, so he's gonna watch him fish. So we're gonna fish. Here we go. We got red worm. See, there's any big bluegills here. Kind of don't know. Yeah, look at that. Nice bluegill. That's a nice one right there. All right, good bluegill. Going back. We made it to the other side. Let's put on a big juicy red worm. You're not juicy enough. I need a thick. I need her to be thick. All right, look at that. Boom. Let's see here. Oh, nice juicy one. Because we want the big panfish, right? Or a smallmouth. I'll take smallmouth. But we do have 4-pound test, so we'll see how that goes. Right. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, I got one. What is that? Whoa, whoa. Oh, no, it broke off. That was a carp. It broke me off. No, that was a nice carp. Oh no, my bobber, come back. My bobber. Oh, geez, that was a carp, guys. All right, let's try it again. If I break off again, I'm gonna go and get my 6-pound test reel and put it on this rod. Man, that was a nice fish too. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's a smallie. Nice. Relax, 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 relax. Relax, relax. Don't break my line off. Skinny smallie. All right, buddy. Sheesh. You are feisty, dude. Little guy, fall like a champ. See ya. Oh. 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 Oh, oh no, and it pops off. What? My slack. Ah. There we go. We got him. We got him. What do we got? Oh, geez. Oh, geez. It's actually pulling. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a catfish. Yeah. It's a catfish. That's so cool. Relax, buddy. Nice. It's so good to see you guys. Relax, buddy. These little ones, man, they're the ones that will poke you. So feisty. There we go. That is a really good eating channel right there, guys. That's actually really nice. All right, let me unhook him first before he goes nuts on me. So let me see here. How am I gonna hold you? All right there. So you guys want to be careful, okay? See those fins right there that are vibrating? That will get you, all right? If it pokes you, you are done. So, all right, little guy, going back. Nice fish. See ya. We're gonna be ya. Oh, whoa, what the heck? Whoa, whoa, jeez. I didn't even know you was on. What are you doing, buddy? It's a sucker. Jeez, that's a nice red horse, I think. Oh, I don't know, man. But, wow, dude, you scared the crap out of me. I didn't know you were on. the heck? Need to be smaller. Wow, dude, that's so cool, man. Came out of nowhere. You guys saw that. I was just letting a dead stick right there and he just blew up on it. Jeez. Go ahead, buddy. You know you're at the bottom-ish when your bobber's like bouncing like that. That's not a fish eating it. That's just the worm hitting the bottom, which is good. That's what I want. Oh, there we go. That's a fish. And that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's going on? What's going on? It's a sheephead. Yeah. Multi-species completed. That's a big sheephead too. Wow. I mean, big for the river. Whoa, that's so cool. What the heck? That's exactly what you want. Oh geez, don't break me off, man. It's only 14. Wow, look at that. That is way cool, man. Nice. Multi-species at its finest, guys. That's so cool. Fish right there. Yeesh. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, buddy. Back you go. Good fight. So for those of you who like to skip my videos, I try my best to like explain everything. Here it is again. I'm using red worm on a small Dick Smith's jig. And I'm just bobber and just letting it bounce at the bottom. Let's see here. Boom, just like that. Just cast it out and let the current do its thing and just hope for the best. Like I say, usually when you catch one here, they kind of like disperse, you know, they run away and they'll come back. So just gotta be patient. Oh, got hit. Oh, and he's on. Yeah, what is it? Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh, dude, relax. Oh, we got a drum again. Nice. Jeez. When did you guys start coming here? Is it the same guy? No, he's a little bigger. Wow, let's go. Yep, it's a different one. Hey, look at that. Oh yeah, get all my stuff all right there. Nice, dude. Relax. I got 4-pound test. Relax. Oh, jeez. He's gonna dance. Shawty's gonna dance. Relax. Easily. There we go, guys. Another nice fish for the river. Super random, but I'll take it. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Watching a bobber go down is equivalent to a topwater bite. That's just my opinion. Like, that's how exciting it is. You just never know. It could be a largemouth, smallmouth, walleye, catfish, drum. It could be anything. Sucker. Oh, there we go. Got him. That's big. Oh no! What? How? It's a good fish. Oh my god, what the heck is going on? Oh, rock bass, which I don't think the other two were, but hey, I'll take it. Where'd you come from, buddy? It's not your season yet. Made a video you last spring, so there you go. Dang, dude, whatever those two big fish were, I lost them. Oh, already. Take it, got him. Oh, jeez, it's just a bluegill. Okay, I'll take a bluegill then. Yep, I do need to start stacking up on them, so. Oh, got a bite. Come on, take it, Diff. Take it. You gotta run it, buddy. Oh, we're on. Oh, jeez, that's a big bluegill. Relax. Holy cow, dude. It's a tank. Oh, I'm just gonna hug him. I wanna hug him. Wow, that's a nice gill. You're going in there fry for sure. Look at that thing, guys. Sheesh. Alright, so we switched it up. This is a 6-pound test. It should be better. Because, man, I've been breaking off like crazy with that other one, the 4-pound test. Which makes sense. Just sucks, you know. Oh, that's a nice one. What do we got? What's a bass? Oh, it's a largemouth. Cool. That is real. Wow, he's so chunky too. That's cool. Wow. Look at that, guys. Cute fish. Look how chunky it is. That's cool. All right, catch and release. Oh, there we go. We're on. We're on. We're on. You guys saw that? That was cool. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a smallie. Nice. Relax. Relax. Jeez, there he goes. Goes nuts. That was cool. Skinny guy. That was cool. Okay, we know where they are now. Nice little smallie. Going back. Alright, we're back to where we basically started. Because, yeah, just not much activity anywhere else besides this little pool right here. So, like I said, when you find fish, it's kind of dumb to leave fish to find fish, right? So we're gonna just hang out here for a little bit and see what happens. Got him. Whoa, that's a big fish. It's a big fish. And it's a drum. Yeah. That's what I lost earlier. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, nice. That's a nice drum too. Relax. Relax. There you go. Wow, that's a tank. Sheesh. That is a nice drum. Alright, relax, shawty, and you swallowed it nice. Oh, relax. These fish right here, they don't like being lipped. I don't know if you guys noticed that. But when you lip them, they get pissed off. Look at that. They're not like bass where when you lip them, they just like stop. Like look at that. Look at the eye on that thing. Just stares into your soul, you know. Alright, buddy, see ya. Come on, bluegill. Oh, got him. That's another big fish. That's another big one. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a smallie. Nice. It's a nice smallie. Whoa, relax. Jeez, look at him go. Relax. That's cool. Wow. That's a nice smallie. If I can land him. I mean, there we go. Multi-species at its finest, guys. Wow, look at that. That is sweet. All right, catch and release. Hey, we got a big bluegill. Relax, relax. Don't toss the horn. Don't toss the horn. Yes. Oh, nice. Take it. All right, the final worm. This is the last worm, guys. Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna drop this thing a little lower. And it's nothing. I guess they're afraid. Oh, okay. Okay. Nope, that's nothing. There we go. And we got him. And we go. Oh, yeah, we got him. That's a nice fish, too, to end it. It's a sheephead. Yeah. It's a nice little dude. Oh, at least I didn't lose my worm. Little guy, going back. Oh man, yep, time to go. Oh jeez. All right, time to go, guys. That is it. That's a wrap. And it was fun. Sorry, I don't have a mic piece, but whatever. You guys can hear me. I'm in the car. Just bobber fishing with Warm, and it was a nice outing. It was a nice, easy, smooth outing. I went up to the dam, went all the way down to the bridge. Nothing. The only spot that was good was that one deep pool there, and we caught a bunch of fish, a bunch of different species, so that was nice. Let me put my seatbelt on. So yeah, that was very nice, you know, catching multiple species like that on a gloomy after the storm day. I am not complaining at all. I had a good time, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.